We're gonna have breakfast and we're now using our new table mat. This kitchen is seasoned with love. Ito yung table mat na nabili namin sa Dollar Tree. So marami silang mga designs no, pero yan yung design na pareho namin nagustuhan ni Mr. And that's our typical breakfast. So for this morning, sausage and eggs. So other days, bacon and eggs. So di na talaga nawawala yung eggs sa umaga. And then iced coffee, or kape na may gatas, or gatas na may kape. For now, dahil mainit yung panahon, especially nung summer, no, iced coffee talaga kami. But it's starting to get colder na now that it's almost fall. At sabi nga ni Mr., baka in a few weeks or days, baka mag-switch na kami from iced coffee, balik na kami sa hot coffee pag nag-start na lumamig yung panahon. And then yung eggs ni Mr., ganyan talaga yan. Gusto niya may black pepper. So, sa akin, syempre, nasanay ako na sa eggs, talaga, salt lang sa akin. So, before, dalawang eggs talaga kami. At in-encourage niya ako na 2 eggs talaga yung kainin ko, pero lang ako, isa lang talaga yung kaya kong kainin. So, sa kanya na lang yung 3, then isa sa akin. And then yan, waffle. Di talaga nagsasawa sa waffle si Mr. At sa akin naman yung, yan yung bread na nabili namin nung nagpunta kami sa Asian Market. Jim is having waffle with the maple syrup. Me, I'm having this is the sweet coconut bun that we bought at the Asian Market. So, it's good that Tim doesn't like this, because that means I can eat it. And it will last longer because I'm the only one eating. And I'm only eating 1 per day.
So you got 12 days supply?
So yeah, so I got like 12. Oh, but you actually ate on... no, you didn't eat on the first day. Yeah.
Not 12 more days.